Hey guys, it's me, Speed Project, and in this video, I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. So, if there's any noise in the background, sorry, but let's just get to it. Okay, so I'm going to scramble Rubik's Cube. It may take me like a minute or so to solve it, but, yeah, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Done! Alright guys, it's fully solved. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's a short video. Just so you know, the noise in the background is my mom's cooking dinner. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And as always, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys.